Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. So today we are doing something different. It's not to my car, it's obviously to my dad's car. My dad's got a Honda CR-V, and obviously he was like, oh, I want to make it look a bit better than how it is because it's shit. But yeah, as you can see, this is a Honda CR-V. It's alright. I mean, I'm not going to show all of it because obviously we're not going to do too much on this car. But you know, it's just changing a few things around that he said he wanted to do. So yeah, let's get to it. Today is something really simple. We're going to be installing the SharkFin Antenna. As you can see here, it's a crappy big. I don't like that. He hates that. So I thought, oh no, I'll buy it for him and get it installed onto his car and see how it looks. But I've done a few things already to it. I've done the reversing lights, the white LEDs, reversing, so you'll see it's much better. It's a bit brighter as well. Done the interior lights as well for him, but I've got to obviously record that stuff. But yeah, so let's get to it, installing this, and yeah, let's get to it. Right, first thing you want to do is just, it's very simple, just unscrew that. Done. Open it up. So as you can see, it comes with the shark fin. Quite nice, it's a gloss black, so yeah. And it comes with the bolts, which we're going to need. Now I'm not mistaken, but we're going to need, I think it's this one here. We're going to need this smaller one there. What you want to do is just thread the bolt through here, which I'll show you in a second. So you want to thread the bolt like that. So before it goes in, you want to put the bolt like so. And just screw it down like this. Like that. And then that obviously just covers it up like this. But first things first, we're going to try the radio. So I see it's working now. I'm just going to try the, oh, this people drag me nuts like fucking shit, crappy beep. But yeah, I've obviously we can try it. Let me just turn it on and shut up, you're beeping. Yeah, it's working, radio is working. Once you've done that, you just want to, I would say, get a screwdriver on it and just tighten it as much as you can, like so. Perfect. Right. Before we stick this on, obviously this is a 3M tape there. Before we stick on, we're going to clean the surface. Yeah, just clean. Done. Perfect. Now you want to take Alright, so cable goes inside like this, and then oh shit. That's all done. It's so good, simple, easy to do. It makes the car look much nicer now, I think. As you can see there before, it looks so much nicer, so much better with a black obviously roof. But yeah, it's just something quick, something different as well, because obviously everyone's used to watching ST videos. So I thought I'd do some mods on my dad's car as well, make it look nice. And yeah, hopefully what we want to do next is change the number plates to the gel ones like I've got in my car, and get the spoiler for this as well, which will be coming down soon, so this video on that as well. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy. This 3M tape is supposed to be fantastic, like it's so good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new, And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video of mine. Peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in a new style.